We're not going to get anything that Massachusetts or New York or New Jersey has been getting out of this, Rhode Island. They're getting the bulk of the storm. This is their big storm. You can see the nor'easter, the blizzard of 26 here, really affecting them down there with the heaviest of snow. The thing is, they're going to get winds that we are going to get the winds from, but we're not going to get the snow amounts that they're having down there. So we still have a blizzard warning, a total weather alert, still a big deal at our coastline, but we're not getting the full effects. We're looking at just our coastline, really getting the bulk of it. We're looking at heaviest of snow at the coast and high winds between 40 and 50 miles an hour, especially during the afternoon, and blizzard conditions with low visibility and drifting and blowing snow. All right, so that blizzard warning up and down the I-95 corridor, and we're looking at a winter storm warning. So still no joke here in the areas of white, because there could be some areas of whiteouts as well as some blowing and drifting snow, but really up north there's not much going on. Current wind gusts up to 31 miles an hour in Portland. We're at 33 in Sanford. You can see this purple area showing winds all in the 30s, 30 mile per hour winds or more. We're looking at our next 12 hours. We have impact weather all the way through the evening hours. Temperatures will be in the mid-20s, but it will feel colder than that. If you're out there dealing with the snow, you got to go venture out. Just know the wind chill is going to be a big factor too. The heaviest of snow I really believe will be between 10 and 2 o'clock, but then still the winds pick up after that. We got some pretty good snow moving in right now. York County has been in on it. Now Casco Bay and Cumberland County, Saginaw County, all getting in on the action now too. But you can see the beast bands are down in Rhode Island, Massachusetts, and even Connecticut, moving into New York State again, New Jersey, New York City. Where do they put all that snow, right? Let's take a look what's going on with our total storm tracker. We continue to see some of those snow bands building in, and some of these bands could produce 2 inches an hour, and that's where we really pile things up. So we're looking at 4 o'clock today, still snowing pretty good, and then it does look like there's one last little push, and it starts to dwindle around 8 o'clock tonight. The winds will still be blowing and drifting around that snow, as you might shovel and find yourself with all the snow back on the driveway again, and things look a lot better for tomorrow. So the cleanup tomorrow, the kind of recovery time period, looks good before we got more snow coming on Wednesday. Not as bad though. Look at 9 to 12 inches down in Kittery and York. 6 to 9 inches in Sanford, Kennebunk, Biddeford, 6 to 9 inches in the greater Portland area, and 6 to 9 inches in Boothbay. You get out toward Gorham and Windham, you're getting closer to that 3 to 6 inch mark, and especially the further north, the lesser and lesser amounts you get. The winds combined with that snow is what's going to cause the blizzard and whiteout conditions. Looking at winds gusting to 50 miles an hour in Wiscasset at 4 o'clock, 45 in Portland out of the north, and that's going to cause a storm surge too out there with high tide coming in at 3:24. We have a coastal flood warning in Seacoast, New Hampshire, York County, which means minor splashover, but also we have a lot of ice in the bays. And so with that storm surge and high tide coming in, could cause some complications out there too. On the 8-day forecast, temperatures coming in right now at for the afternoon around 29, feeling a lot colder. That we got 50 mile an hour winds, so it's going to feel really cold. But the heaviest of snow this afternoon with that total weather alert. Tomorrow looks good. Again, another chance for snow Wednesday, especially Wednesday morning. That may make the Wednesday morning commute a little rough. On Thursday, not bad, mild. And then Friday, Thursday night into Friday, we have a chance for some more snow and then mild conditions as we head towards Saturday. So some good news there.